Here we've got OnePlus Nord, and let me show you how to add photo the contact on the following device. At first you have to open the phone dialer, go to the contacts, now open the contact that you would like to add this profile picture to. It can be Elon, tap on edit icon and then click on camera icon. Here you have to decide if you would like to take a photo or choose something from your gallery. If you will pick take a photo, you will be able to grab a picture. It's perfect if someone is staying right in front of you, but I will choose photo from my gallery. Let me just pick it. Then you can complete action using photos or gallery, it's up to you. I will pick photos. And now, as you can see, you can customize it so you can crop it as only you want to have it, and I will leave it this way. Tap on done and click on save then. And as you can see, from now on this picture is assigned to your contact, and every time he or she will be calling you, you will see the profile picture at first. So this is it, that will be all. Thanks for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.